Today, I stand before you to speak about a month that is not ordinary. It is not just a period of time that comes and goes like the other. It is a month that carries a message, a purpose, a power to transform hearts. This month is Ramadan. Ramadan does not simply arrive on the calendar. It arrives with a call. It calls the lost back to the Creator. It calls the broken back to hope. It calls the sinner back to forgiveness. It reminds us that no matter how far we have gone, the doors of mercy is still open and our Lord is still waiting for us. Throughout the year, we become busy in our lives. We run after success, after wealth, after recognition. In doing so, we often forget our true purpose. We forget the one who created us. We forget the one who gave us everything we have. But Ramadan comes and reminds us. It shows us. It makes us reflect. When a person feels thirsty and the water is right in front of them, yet they refuse to drink it, it is not an act of weakness. It is an act of strength. It is a declaration of faith. It is a silent message that says, my love and my fear for my Creator is greater than the physical needs. This hunger, this thirst are not meant to punish the body. They are meant to awaken the soul. Ramadan teaches us discipline. It teaches us patience. It teaches us self-control. It teaches us that if we can control our strongest desire for the sake of Allah, then we can control our actions for the rest of the year as well. It reminds us of those who live every day in hunger and poverty. It builds compassion within us. It makes us realize that true success is not measured by how much we own, but by how close we are to our Creator. It teaches us humility. Because no matter who we are, rich or poor, powerful or weak, we all stand equal before Allah. This blessed month is also the month of forgiveness. It is a chance to restart again. It is an opportunity to leave behind our mistakes and become a better version of us. Many of us carry regret. Many of us carry the sins that weigh heavily on our hearts. But Ramadan brings us hope. It reminds us that Allah's mercy is greater than our mistakes. It reminds us that no matter how many times we fall, we can still rise again. All we need is sincerity, humility, and the courage to return. My dear audience, the most emotional reality is that we do not know if we will witness another Ramadan. Last year, there were people who were sitting with their families, making plans, living their lives just like us. Today, they are no longer here. Their time has ended. Their opportunities have ended. And one day, the same will happen to us. This realization should awaken us. It should make us value every moment of this blessed month. It should make us choose this time to improve ourselves, to strengthen our faith, and to reconnect with our Lord. Ramadan is just not about staying hungry and thirsty from dawn to sunset. It is about purifying the heart. It is about changing the character, about becoming more honest, more kind, patient, and humble. It's about building strong relationship with our Creator. It is about becoming a person we were meant to be. It is training period for our soul, chance to rebuild ourselves from within. In conclusion, I would like to say, Ramadan is not just a month. It is a gift, an opportunity that never be taken for granted. It is a chance to return, a chance to forgive, a chance to transform our lives. Fortunate ones are not those who simply witness Ramadan, but those who truly understand its values and use it to change themselves. May we become those who do not let their opportunity pass and may leave Ramadan up as better, stronger, and faithful human beings. I thank you all.